The African elephant, the giant guardians of the savannah. The African elephant, Loxodonta africana, is one of the most magnificent and awe-inspiring creatures on the planet. As the largest land mammal, these gentle giants are renowned not only for their size but also for their complex social structures, intelligence, and vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. Physical characteristics. African elephants are distinguishable by their large ears, which are shaped somewhat like the continent of Africa. These ears help regulate their body temperature in the hot African climate. Males can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, 5,443 kilograms, and stand about 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters, tall at the shoulder, while females are generally smaller. They have thick, wrinkled skin that protects them from the harsh sun and thorny vegetation. One of the most iconic features of the African elephant is its trunk, an elongated nose and upper lip used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and producing sound. The trunk is incredibly versatile and strong, capable of lifting heavy branches and delicately picking up small objects. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth that grow throughout their lives. These tusks are used for digging, foraging, and as a means of defense. Habitat and distribution. African elephants are found in a variety of habitats across sub-Saharan Africa, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. They require large home ranges to find sufficient food and water, often migrating vast distances to find resources, especially during the dry season. Social structure and behavior. African elephants are highly social animals, living in matriarchal herds composed of related females and their offspring. The matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female, leads the herd. Her knowledge of the environment, including the locations of water sources and safe migration routes, is crucial for the survival of the group. Males typically lead the herd when they reach adolescence and either live solitary lives or form small bachelor groups. Elephants communicate through a combination of vocalizations, such as trumpeting and rumbling, and through body language and touch. They also produce infrasound, low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances, allowing them to communicate over several kilometers. Diet and feeding. African elephants are herbivores, consuming a diet that includes grasses, leaves, fruits, bark, and roots. They spend up to 16 hours a day feeding and can consume up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, of food daily. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By uprooting trees and creating clearings, they help maintain the savanna and forest environments, promoting biodiversity. Conservation status. The African elephant is currently classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for their ivory tusks. Despite international bans on ivory trade, illegal poaching remains a significant threat. Conservation efforts focus on anti-poaching measures, habitat preservation, and community-based conservation programs that involve local communities in protecting elephants. Importance to ecosystem. African elephants are often referred to as ecosystem engineers because of their profound impact on their environment. By digging for water, they create water holes that are used by other animals. Their movement through forests and savannas helps to disperse seeds, promoting plant growth and diversity. The clearings they create in dense forests can also help other species thrive. Conclusion. The African elephant is a symbol of the wild beauty of Africa, representing both the strength and vulnerability of nature. Protecting these majestic creatures is not only crucial for the survival of the species but also for the health of their ecosystems. Through continued conservation efforts and global awareness, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to witness the grandeur of the African elephant in the wild.